All right, now we out here making our first big shop for the restaurant. You know, I got the boss right there.
What's up, guys?
Okay, boss. Look at your shirt already, my.
Day in the life of a...
Brush up your shirt, my youth.
Goodness. And something got him on? Day in the life of a restaurant owner.
Yeah. You know, we out here, you know. Our first big shop. We're gonna have to probably come back again because you know how it is. I ain't got a truck. I got a small car. But yeah, so that's what we doing right there.
In repair.
Yeah. But me and First Lady outside, you know. Gotta have this. Gotta have that right there. No jokes.
I really need you tonight.
I mean, I push the cat, see? Cat now push by itself. Damn, my belly skin a showed over, man. It's the belly for me. Hey.
I'm looking for...
Anyone?
All right, so we're going to need some flour.
Make sure you look for a good pack, my.
Good pot, yeah. Need 2 of them. You want to get closer, Sugarfoot? Oh my gosh, yeah.
To get brolic, son. I gotta get brolic up in here. We get the good one, my. You can't get the first one, then. I do all this. I work in the warehouse, so I do this all the time. Get brolic. All right, that's that.
That's that.
Where we at now?
Let me remove that. I wonder if... So,
What, the orange one?
yeah, the orange frying oil, so we can fry the RFC.
The load right next close to you always.
RFC. What you said, Sugarfoot?
Keep the load close to you.
Oh.
Turn and pivot.
Okay.
Yeah, restaurant food. Yeah, gang. You know what time it is. You got sheer my youth.
So it's coming along, guys. Look how quick the cart is almost filled up. We need 2 vinegar. Yes, we clean our chicken with vinegar, guys. Even though we're a restaurant owner, we clean our chicken with vinegar. You understand? So we're in this section. Yeah, just 1. So we have our stuff now for the fridge. Got some sodas. We're gonna get some Coke, Coca-Cola, Sprite, DNG. Coke, right? Yeah. Okay. Guys, when you come into Sam's, come early. Be in and out, guys. In and out. Okay, and the Sprite.
And Wells more.
That's it.
Mate, how are you over there side of my youth?
Bonus Tom Tom?
Huh? What you got? Bonus? What I do? We have a free scan at my youth? What we doing over here now? Oh, the napkins and stuff? What's that? Paper bags?
Paper bags for after they, like when the customers come in and they get their food.
Yeah.
We put it in the paper bag and close
So
it.
then, got you. Yeah.
So, because then you just put it in a plastic bag.
Yeah.
Some gloves.
Oh, we already got these.
Yeah, we need gloves. Oh, they're right here, honey.
Okay. One size fit all?
Yeah, this is just disposable gloves, but we're gonna get different gloves when we season in the meat and stuff. This is just simple.
You gotta be a neat packer. I'm a neat packer, okay? I'm a warehouse person, man. So we're gonna get that. That's for the mini. That's the mini food right there.
Yeah, so you're coming for your mini lunch special?
Your mini lunch special. That's what we got right there. Yo, oh, that's a good place to put it. Cause she can't pack it. I'm the packer.
So you put some rice, chicken, close it up.
So this is what we got so far. We got to come back like 2 times because you know, as I said before, but
Yes, so we done.
we're good right there so far. For now. What do you say now?
Yeah, so I did a lot of research, guys. Okay, just because it's Sam's, Restaurant Depot, Cisco, Cheney Brothers, you have to research because some of these places are more expensive than they need to be. You know what I mean? So But that's that. So we need straws, so we got straws. Let me take it off my list. Also, when you guys come to Sam's, if y'all go to Sam's, make sure you get that Sam's app. Scan and go. Don't be standing in no lines. We don't do lines over here.
First lady dropping the gems for y'all. You know what I mean? You know how we do with that already. You know, we put you on the put on. Gotta put you on the put on. Scan and go. You know what I'm saying? You done this?
I'm about to do that right now.
What we do now? You done right this? Or I come back?
Yeah, I come back.
All right.
Scan and go.
Cause we come back, cause my car can't fit all that. My car gonna be low riding if I put all them, the whole stuff we gotta get. So we gonna come back. All right. All right.
All right. This is just half the stuff, guys. Also, also, we haven't even done the big shopping yet. We still gotta go to Restaurant Depot and the meat store. You understand? So it's a get in there, guys. We're gonna get it packed up in the car. One thing about my husband, he's very good at packing, so.
Mike, it's all like pockets for Jenny. You want to come drive over right, so I hate that shit, yo.
My youth upon camera, my youth.
Probably not my youth. I like shit like that, yo.